Hi everyone. So I've recently bought this PS1 off eBay. It's marked as spares or repairs. Apparently it's something up with the video. We'll have a look, see what it's going to be like. But hopefully we'll be able to fix it today. This is going to be my first go at fixing a console and such. So let's fire it up and have a look. I've got it plugged into a TV up here. So we'll see what we can do. Let's go. Okay, it's powering up. You can hear the sound. Okay, and straight away we've got a picture which is looking okay. Now, actually, with a bit of hindsight, that picture looks pretty rough. I don't know if that's the TV, but you can see, or I hope you can see, it's got this kind of shimmer to it. Maybe that's okay. Maybe that's just working. I might try a game and see what it look like. 1 second. Okay, so the game that came with this was Theme Park World. They were kind enough to include a game. So let's try it, see what we've got. So straight away, that's not reading the disc. It seems to know there's a disc in there, but I suspect it's either the wrong region or possibly the laser needs aligning, but that's something for us to have a look at. Okay, we'll see what we can do. Okay, so here we are. We've got the PlayStation up on the bench. What I'm going to do is get this opened up and we'll have a look what's inside. Okay, so this is the first time I've pulled the cover off one of these. From what I can tell, this is the power supply here. You've got some kind of filtering coming in. You've got the input capacitors. I'm guessing that's switching MOSFET through a small transformer, and then you've got some filtering on the output. So this is going to be your power supply coming over here. So the bit we're interested in is the laser mechanism and the motherboard, which I think is under here. The other thing I'm seeing, which could be quite interesting, is this that's sellotaped here. I am wondering if that's some kind of mod chip, and the answer might be it's time to pull that out. But we'll have a look, we'll get it apart, we'll see what's going on. Okay, so looking at this chip, it's definitely some kind of mod chip. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this board up, remove the mod chip, put the PlayStation back together, and see how we're looking. So straight away, just pulling that shield off, I can see these are not properly attached. That could be as I pulled the shield up, it could have been me, but they've come off really easily. So I'll see if I need to desolder these two when I get the tape off, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so after desoldering those wires that were just attached down here, one to a test point, one to a little pad, this should be back to as it was, as it came out of the factory. So what I'm going to do is I'll put it back together, we'll take it downstairs and give it a try. Okay, back together, back downstairs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this game in, and we'll see if we're looking like. Back. Okay, well, we've not completely broken it, so that's a good sign. Ooh, the disc is making more noises. I think that's trying to load now. I can hear the laser moving. Oh yes, there we go, that's all it was. Dodgy mod chip installed. Not bad that for, it's about 15 quid. Got a working PlayStation, game, couple of controllers. There we go. There's a lot to be said for buying the spares or repairs ones and seeing what's up. Right, thanks for watching. I'm going to sit back and have a bit of a game.